We have next example. In this example, we have to estimate the difference by rounding to the specified place value. In this example, we have to round to the hundredth. So first, what we have to do, we have to round each number to the nearest hundredth. So it will be, let me copy our two numbers. We have 0.0893 minus 0.0247. We need to round to the hundredth. The hundredth is the second digit after decimal point. And now we have to do rounding. So we have to check the digits after our underlined digits. It's 9 when we have number greater than 5 or 5. What we have to do, we have to add 1 to our underlined digit, and everything what is after our underlined digit we have to change to zeros, and now we have to add 8 plus 1 is 9. Everything what is before our underlined digits we have to copy. So we round first number, the second. Now after 2 our underlined digits we have 4, so the number is less than 5. What we have to do? We have to copy everything what we have before our underlined digits, so 0, 0, our underlined digits, and everything what is after our underlined digits we have to change to zeros. So now we can do subtraction. We have 0.09. We don't have to write the zeros after 9 because they don't change the value of our number, minus 0.02 we have, and again I will not write these zeros. So this is equal. We have to subtract two decimal numbers, so we have 0.09 minus 0.02. We have to align decimal points, and now we start from the last column. 9 minus 2 is 7. 0 minus 0 is 0. We copy decimal point exactly in the same column. 0 minus 0 is 0. So we have solution 0.07. So we can write that the estimated difference is 0.07. This is my solution.